everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service Instagram TV or YouTube channel. And today's science lab, we're going to make a fun project. It's really simple project for you to make because the weather is so nice out. So this one is called the bee buzzer. It's really simple, but if you need help, you can ask your friend or your parents or your neighbor, whichever is convenient for you. So how it works is this has like a long strings, and then you're just going to step back from everything else in your house or outside. I prefer to do it outside because it will spin like so, and then you can see like it's looks like a bee because bee will make like a sound like a buzz. So what you need is construction paper. I chose yellow, but it doesn't need to be yellow. If you like any different kind of colors, it's really up to you. And we need one popsicle sticks. The skinny one is probably better rather than a bigger one. We need staple, we need scissors, a string. A string, I would say about 20 inches, but you can eyeball it. It really depends like how long you're going to make your bee buzzer travel for. And then a mounting putty. So it's basically an adhesive putty like so, but we don't need much. We probably just need like about 1/2 inches. And we need markers to decorate your bees. So it has a stripe like this. And rubber band, of course. We need pencils and rulers, okay? So what we're going to do here is take a side of everything. Okay, first thing first is you're going to make half a letter of the construction paper and you're going to fold it in half like this, okay? And after you fold it in half, you just press it. So it should be there's a line over here, okay? So fold it in half and then there's a line over there, okay? So what you want to do is you put your popsicle stick underneath the construction paper, and then you take your ruler and your pencils, and it doesn't need to be perfect, but you just can eyeball it. It's like 1/2 inch from the popsicle stick and then another 1/2 inch on either side. So both sides you have 1/2 inch from the popsicle sticks. Okay, and then you can set aside your popsicle sticks in a while. So what you want to do is you're going to draw a curve, like a big curve and then a small curve. So what it does is the smaller one is for the head and then the bigger one is for the tummy. Okay, as I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. So you want to make sure you make a big curve and then the smaller one, like so. Okay, so remember the big one first and then the smaller one for the head. And you take your scissors and then you cut along the line that you just made. Remember, the one that foldable is down there. So you just cut along the line like so, and then this. So see, when you open it up, so you have 2 of your bees on both sides, okay? And then this is the most fun one, I think. So you can decorate your bees. So you make the eyes like so, and then you make a stripe. If you prefer other color like brown or purple or pink, you can do whatever you like. If you want to make a rainbow bee, you can, but I just prefer black. So it makes it easier to see like that. Okay, after you're done coloring it, you put your popsicle stick underneath the paper like that. And then you take staple. So put one staple over there near the head and then the other one towards the end of the bee. So it looks like so. So the back side should have your 2 staples. Alright? And after that, you want to take your strings. As I said, I prefer 20 inches, but if you like 24 inches or if you would prefer longer than that, you can do it. So this is kind of tricky because you have to tie in your string into the back part of the bee. If you need help, you can ask your parents or your friend to do it for you, or your older siblings, because this is kind of tricky. So, but it will be fun when it's done. So you tie it like so. Tie it securely so it doesn't fall off from your bee. And as I said, it doesn't need to be perfect, as long as it will tie securely to the back, like that. So you have a long string that attached to the bee, like that. And then you want to take your mounting putty like so. And you need, I put around like 1 or 1.5 inches. So first thing is you're going to secure the string that you just tie in the back like so. Just make sure you cover the string so it doesn't fall off when you play with it. Okay? And then you take another one about the same length, about 1.5 inches. And then you cover the front part or the head part of the bee, like that. Okay, so you make sure you cover the front one and then the back one. When you flip it over, the back one should cover the string, also the front one. Looks like so. Okay? And then you take your rubber band. I only have one rubber band, so I'm going to borrow from the previous bee, the one that I made. And then we're going to cover the putty, like so. So the rubber band will be attached to the both sides of the putties. And then there you go. You will have a bee, and you can go outside. Please don't play inside if your parents wouldn't let you so, because it will break the whole thing at the house. So what you want to do, you step back from your friends and everything, and you can start to make a buzz like this. Isn't it fun? Like that. So that's how bee works. It's called a buzzer flutter, like so. Okay, I hope you have fun. If you have any questions, please let us know in comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel on Instagram. And then we have our summer reading program. It's called Read Square. And we have our website and waitlist. So if you have more questions and stuff, you can contact us through our messages or Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good week, everybody.